Welcome back to the craziest channel in the world, where we bring all cars back to life. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast, a DIY mechanic, or someone who just loves the idea of saving these old cars, join us as we restore, rebuild, and revive old classic cars with plenty of passion along the way. Let's get those engines cranking, one classic car at a time. So we got a chance to touch the different cars from different countries, like Trabant from Germany, Citroën from France, Lada from Russia, and Yugo from Yugoslavia. And today, in front of us is another European legend, and that is a Fiat 126P, designed and manufactured in Poland. This car was designed after a successor Fiat 500 model that went European all around awards, and this was designed for a Polish market. So Fiat aimed to bring a small, compact, and affordable car that could run through the narrow streets, and this was their answer for it. Fiat 126P is a 4-passenger rear-engine city car manufacturer and marketed by Fiat over a 28 production run years. Introduced by Fiat in October 1972 at the Turin Auto Show, the 126 replaced already old Fiat 500, using a major elements from its design. This tiny car quickly became a symbol of affordable mobility in Poland. It was produced from 1972 until 2000s, with over 3 million units built during the production run. Fiat 126 featured a boxy and compact shape, which made it perfect for navigating narrow streets and tight parking spaces. It came equipped with a small 594cc air-cooled engine that produced around 24 horsepower. While it was never going to win any races, it was ideal for city driving and offer impressive fuel efficiency. This car became a cultural icon in Poland and across Eastern Europe. It represented affordable transportation during a time when many people relied on public transportation. Known efficiently as a maluch ili malish, meaning little one in Polish, it was a beloved car for the many families owned. You could often spot in the roads, contributing a nostalgic charm in that era. Inside the Fiat 126, you'll find a minimalistic design focused on functionality. The interior was basically built surprisingly spacious for such a small car like it is. Comfortable seating for 4 passengers. The dashboard was straightforward, featuring essential controls without any unnecessary complexity. The rear seats could fold down also, providing extra cargo space for trip and market as well as the weekend getaways. Interesting fact about this car is that this car is the first car in Poland to be made available for private ownership, breaking away from an earlier system of state-owned vehicles. Despite its small size, the 126P has surprisingly high ground clearance, making it capable of handling of rougher roads. So under the hood is, well, there is no engine under the hood.
The underhood is a spare tire and barely any space for anything you could fit in. This car has a real engine mount. So this was your trunk and the engine was on the back. So as we move towards the back, this is where your engine is going to be mounted. This is a 2-spark engine, and like I said, it was around 649 cubic inch 0.6 liter engine that was making around 24 horsepower. And interesting fact that here's the vents coming from the outside and cooling this engine. There's no radiator, there's no hoses, there's no additional stuff like the new engines has. But this is the predecessor of the smart car. Today we have a smart car, and in that time this was your smart car, a small little compact car that you could drive throughout the whole Poland through the narrow streets. You could fit it anywhere in a parking spot, and it was wasting around 3 liters of gas. So this is a true smart car of the time. Inside the car, you did not have any additional features. This was your turning signals, vents, and stuff like that. And that was really easy stuff to maintain and work on. There was no radiator at that time, but also you could have fit in. Amazing little car for that time. So these cars, there is designed for up to 4 people. I mean, I'm a 6-foot guy, and I don't think nobody can fit behind me. So today's 4 people, I don't think they could have fit in this car like they did before. Like in Yugo, this is the design of venting your car at that time. You don't have to roll down the window. You can just have this triangle window, move left and right. You can have additional air. So like I said, from the amazing door handle design to the really simplicity in this car, shows how simple it used to be before to make an amazing car that's going to last and have a thoughtful, meaning, wise design for small streets, easy maintaining, etc. Today, cars are so hard to maintain, cars are so hard to work on, cars are so hard to find out which button is for which. So now we're driving this Polish smart car from 1980s that was made for narrow streets and small streets in Poland, and it was produced from 1972 until 2000s. It was a rear-wheel drive car with a rear-wheel drive engine.
Accompaniment beats brand promotion. Oh, oh.
So what are your thoughts about Fiat 126P? Was this a car that set a new boundaries for style and design as we know today in smart car, or just another automotive? Please let me know in comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell for more automotive adventures. Until then, keep cranking your engines.